In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp sprints. By the end, you'll have the Sprints ClickApp turned on where it matters, so your team can plan and track work in time-boxed iterations without any guesswork. Start inside your ClickUp workspace. Once you're in, look toward the top left and click the workspace name to open the main menu. This is where the administrative options live, and it's the quickest way to get to the settings you need for enabling sprints. From that menu, choose Settings. You'll land on the area that controls how your workspace operates. Next, open the section called Spaces. In ClickUp, most advanced features are managed at the space level through ClickApps, and Sprints is one of those features. Turning it on here ensures the right teams and projects get the sprint tools they need. Inside Spaces, find the ClickApps controls. Locate Sprints in the list, toggle it on, and confirm when prompted. If you don't see the toggle, you might need admin or owner permissions, so make sure you have the right access first. Confirming will activate the sprint functionality for that space, giving you the building blocks needed for sprint planning and tracking. Now, head to the specific project you want to work with. Open its menu to access settings for that project and choose ClickApps there as well. This is important because even after enabling sprints at a higher level, you'll often want to confirm it's active for the exact project or space where your team will be running sprints. In that project's ClickApps list, select Sprints again and save your changes. Don't skip the save step. It's what actually applies the setting. After saving, give the interface a moment to update. If it doesn't appear right away, a quick refresh usually does the trick. At this point, Sprints is enabled in your workspace and specifically in the project you chose. You should notice sprint-related options and fields becoming available, which sets the stage for organizing your work in iterations. Keep your scope consistent by enabling sprints only where teams truly need it, and communicate the change so everyone understands where sprint planning will happen. That's the full setup path. Open your workspace, go to Settings, enable Sprints and Spaces via ClickApps, move to your project, enable it there too, and save. With the feature active, you're ready to structure your work in sprints and keep progress visible and manageable for the whole team.